For the Digital Literacy in 21st Century Skills Workshop, there are 6 components that I think are very important to cover. 1, think creatively. So for a teacher, you need to be able to communicate with your peers. So in order to think creatively, you need to be able to collaborate and come up with what the best plan of action would be in order to develop the best lesson plan that you could, or the best anchor chart, or anything that you're working with your students that can help them grow. So if you put more than one head together, you're able to come up with the best idea. 2, problem solving. Problem solving, when you're having a problem, you can use technology to solve them, and you're able to get help when you need it. So problem solving could be you're struggling with how to work something on your computer. Go ask a coworker, something that goes back to the communication aspect of it. And then teachers need to be able to problem solve, because you're in a classroom all day. You don't know what can happen at any point in time. And so you need to be able to be ready for the unexpected. 3, use your resources. So as a teacher, especially in the 21st century, you're given a lot of resources, especially more resources than what they've been given in the past. So we have all of this technology around us. So whenever you do have a problem, you can use Google. Teachers are known for using Pinterest all the time. You can use Google Docs to collaborate with other teachers or friends or anybody who's helping you with your work. You can use textbooks, and like I said, you can even go to your coworkers, because if you have more experienced co-workers around you, then more than likely they've run into the same sort of issues you have, or they've had the same problems, and or students the same way, so they're just able to help you and give you any advice that you would need. 4, take advantage of the technology around you. So, like I said, we're in the 21st century, so technology is growing rapidly around us. Take advantage of it and use it in your work to create new and unique things. Don't just print off a simple worksheet or do something like that. Look up ideas and go outside of the box to come up with something that will help you grow, not only as a teacher, but will also help your students grow. 5, pace yourself and think critically. When you hit a rough patch, take a break. There are plenty of times where you're staring at one thing and you've been staring at it forever and you can't figure out what to do. Take a break and then come back, look at it with a fresh set of eyes, and develop a new plan and look at it in a different way. 6, avoid busy work. Many teachers are known for giving out worksheets when you're watching a movie, or just fill in the blanks for reading, or like short answer questions. Many students know that that's just busy work and they learn nothing from it. There's so many resources that they can use to look up answers. So for them, that is no help. They're not actually learning from it. So not only are you wasting your time by just giving them a busy worksheet that's going to take you just a little bit of time to grade, but you're also wasting their time, especially in their education, because they're not able to grow as much. Including these main 6 components in the Digital Literacy in 21st Century Skills Workshop will help the students understand what they need, especially if those students are going to college to become a teacher.